everybody, today we're going to be teaching you how to make a delicious, healthy, and easy couscous beef and veggie dish. First, you're going to take some meat and add garlic, ginger, and onion paste. Then you're going to add some black pepper and turmeric. Don't forget to stir it really good. Add some veggie powder, salt, and pepper, and mix it really well. In a heated pan, add your beef and stir it. Add a little bit of water and let it cook. Then you're going to add some tomatoes. And let it simmer for a little bit. The vegetables we will be using will be zucchini, spring onion, broccoli, red bell pepper, carrot, and asparagus. Let the beef cook and add more water. Start adding in some of your veggies. And gradually add more. Add in the rest of your veggies. And stir. Cut some onions and add them in. And stir. Now, in a separate pot, add some water. And add in your couscous and let it cook. When it's cooked, stir it so it doesn't clump together.